Hey everyone, and welcome to the Showstopper Show's Must or Bust. This is yet another toy I have discovered in the newest Hasbro Happy Meal McDonald's toy line. Let's see if it's a must or bust.
Must or bust.
So this is the toy. It is Hungry Hippos, and my kids got it in their kids' meals. We got 3. I actually have 2 more in this box. So they went ahead and opened it, and they were actually playing this game. And it's pretty simple. This is really cool too, because this is yet another one of the toys that has the arms, it has the feet, and it stands up like this. So it stands up just like this, and then this is actually the front because the hands are facing this way. And then you lay it down like this, and the goal is to make sure you turn it over first and get all the pieces in the middle. Turn it over. And then over. And then what you want to do is touch this guy, and then the other people doing this, and it feeds it into the side slots right down there. And that's how you play this game. Oh look, the arms move too. Whoop, 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 whoop. Help me, help me, help me. So if you want to buy these by themselves, they're just $1.99. This one is pretty cool too. For me, it's not as cool as the other one I reviewed, so check that out on my channel, and you'll see it pop up on your screen. And then I'll have a playlist as well to check out all my Happy Meal toy reviews. It's so much fun playing this game as a kid, and my kids still play it now. It's actually really fun. So this version is pretty cool too. The only problem I have with it is the pieces, the little balls here, keep getting stuck even when you flip it over like it says to do. It's almost like playing those games where you had to move the ball around, you know, and get it in each slot and get it through the maze. It's almost like that just to get them out. It's just to do this. That's cool, you get them all out, but then the second you turn it over, well, there you go. You just gotta turn it over really easy. And make sure when you turn it over, you're not angling towards the slots, and then it gets them all in the middle. But that's all you have to do. So that's my only negative part about it. It's kind of tough to get all the little pieces back in the center so you can actually battle. But overall, I like this game. I think it's fun. And what you're doing is basically trying to eat more of the candies than your buddies. And that's it. Eat the marbles, guys. Eat the little bitty marbles. And whoever gets the most gets to eat the other person's Happy Meal. Y'all could do that. But I don't have just 1. I don't have 2. I have 3 total. So we could have like a battle, like they could walk and fight like this, and then their arms move. So maybe they could, like, you know, do stuff like this, or they could just be teammates, you know, on the team, and just have a lot of fun. But there you go, guys. That is the Hungry Hippos game, brand new in this month's Happy Meal from McDonald's. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. May the forks be with you. Have a lot of fun, and may his presence be with you always. The show stops here. And watch this fun video as it goes out, and then click on the videos that pop up so you can pick another cool video to watch.